So today we are doing the web scraping. So what is a web scraping? Web scraping is a process for extracting data from website. It involves of fetching a web page, then extracting the required information from its content. So this can be you can do manually. And let's suppose we have the this COVID world meter. Okay, so I want to extract some data from this. So I want to extract how many cases in Ireland we have the COVID. Not right now, it's total the COVID cases. We don't have a COVID right now. So how it work and how we can extract the data. So from that website. So we are using the BeautifulSoup here. So BeautifulSoup is a Python library used for web scraping purpose for data out in the HTML or XML. So first I'm importing the um, uh, so basic I'm importing the request library, and then I'm importing the BeautifulSoup. So from BS4 import BeautifulSoup. Okay, and now so this is my Python library so that I imported. Next task is we need to extract. I'm creating one function for extracting a data. So this is a world meter website. Okay, so we have the coronavirus cases, deaths, and recovered. So I want to extract three things from this web page. Okay, so how we can extract? So basically, I'm creating one function. That function is easy. So whenever we need to call anything, we will call that function, and we doesn't need to write many times. So like I'm writing the scrap website URL. Okay, this is my uh, function, and I'm writing the response equal to response.get URL. Okay, so we have the response here, and then next I created one variable here, the beautiful soap and response.content. This is a main code. So here I'm extracting the content of the response from that URL. Okay, and we are parsing the HTML file. Now let's suppose what we need to extract. So let's suppose I'm extracting the cases of the COVID virus. So cases equal to so. Okay, so is what we extracting. This is a full data of my website. Okay, so what I need to extract, let's suppose I'm extracting the div class, find all case. So I'm in the class I'm extracting the main counter number. So let's suppose here you can see here this is the COVID cases. So this is a main counter number. Okay, so if you extract the table, so you can see the values. Okay, so I'm writing the main. Okay, and this is my one class, four cases. Then data equal to I'm putting the blank. Okay, so this is my data. Then data we are extracting the, now my data is null. Okay, so now I'm putting the all the values into null, into data. So now I'm creating one, how many total cases are there. So total cases. Okay, so we are extracting the cases, and cases, and the value is on the 0, means the first position we need the cases. Dot find, what we need to find out, find the span, get text, total, that total recovered, like this 0 1 2. So this is my data, and this is my feature. So three feature I need only from the data: total cases, total death. You can see here we have the coronavirus cases, deaths, and recovered. Okay, so that we want. Then after that we need to print that things. Okay, so print COVID. So like you can write anything, COVID-19. So I write it like this one, so it will be show this message. And then after that, for we need to print our data. So how we will do, we will write like this, for key values and data items and key value and they here. Okay, then in the end we need a one message. So what we need message here, print web scraping is completed. Like this one we can write all data extracted. You can also write it all required data has been collected. Okay, so this is also good. Now, okay, so this is the function. Okay, now you need to give that website. Okay, so what we created function scrap website simply, and what is the link of this website? This is a link, so I'm simply pasting here the link here and then simply run it. Okay, now you can see here we have all the data from that website. So we have COVID status for Ireland and total cases this, total that's this, total recovered is this, and it's showing that all required data has been collected. You can see the exact number from the here. So web scraping is very easy. You can easily extract data from any website using BeautifulSoup. So BeautifulSoup is a very good library for web scraping. So this is all for this session. Thank you guys.